In this video, I will show you how to use the action Get User Data. First, we need to add a new flow. Go to the first message block and add content. Here we select Get User Data. Let's do something simple. We will ask for the user's full name. Once text is done, click Edit. Under the Get User Data action, you can set the type of user data you need to capture. You can choose from number, text, email, phone number, and other categories. Next, we set a custom field in which this data will be stored. To know more about custom fields, a link to our tutorial is in the video description box below. For this activity, we are using a pre-installed custom field. Once done, click Save. To show if our Get User Data action was successful, we will make an output message. To display our gathered data, all we need is to call out the custom field in which the data was stored. Click Publish. Time to test our flow. There you go! A simple example of how Get User Data works and its function. For assistance and customer support concerns, our dedicated help support team is always available to assist you. Support hotline is provided on the description box below. Thank you for choosing GPT Connect.